All right, good day, guys. I'm sitting at my shop, taking care of the little details here for what I got to do. But just want to remind you about Monday. Gloves, steel toe boots, jeans, t-shirt be fine with me. All we're doing is cleaning up and make sure we got all the cap and gowns. I know we talked about this a million times. Cap and gowns, all that good stuff. Make sure we got that taken care of. Make sure that you got all your tests taken care of. Everything except Module 4, we're going to take care of that on Monday. But you want to make sure you get all that squared away. Tests are going in, all the grades are going in Monday as soon as you're done, okay? So I'm going to be ready to take care of that. Can't thank you enough for what you guys have meant to me over these last 2 years. This is the only time that I know of at the school history that you had the same instructor all the way through. And I know that's tough. I know that's not easy. You heard all the stories, and but I can't tell you what you guys have meant to me. And on a personal level, you guys have meant everything to me. Y'all are the reason why I show up on Mondays every time. So just want to thank you for that. But I also want to make sure that that you guys are ready to go. You guys are out there ready to go. So I'm 100% proud of you. All the work you've done, all the small samples at the beginning turned into pipe at the end. You guys have just kicked ass. You did your job. And I have nothing but great things to say about each and every one of you. So I'm proud of you. But we still got a couple of little details to take care of there at the shop. But you've earned it, man. You've earned your stripe. You're a certified welder. You got an advanced certificate coming. And you've earned it. Nobody gave you anything. So I'm proud of you. I'm gonna miss you like crazy, but hey, man, let's do our thing. The whole reason for this is to get out there and do your job. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Holler at me if you need any details. You know, whatever we need to do to get finished up. But let's finish up strong. Let's do our job. And let me show you something that I've built here. Come Monday, I built this aluminum. I polished it up. I want everybody's name on that for me. That's going to go in my office. Class of 2025. I want to make sure that I have something to kind of commemorate you guys and commemorate all the hard work you've done. And like I say, I'm proud of you, and man, it's gonna be good. So we'll see you guys on Monday. Y'all guys take care. Peace.